Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're making Jell-O instant pudding. Now this happens to be pistachio flavor, but this can work with just about all of them. What you're going to do is fill up 2 cups of milk. Now this actually has to be cow milk. Plant-based lecithin will sadly not work for this one. And after you've got that 2 cups of milk measured in, all you really have to do is put the package in, get yourself a whisk or a nice fork, and start mixing it up. You get yourself 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes in, depending. Now you want to mix slow at first. That way you have the lumps getting disappeared as they get folded into the mix. And once that happens, then you can start agitating the mixture. And what that will do will allow you to get it nice and incorporated. And once it does, that's when the magic of the chemistry starts to happen. And it will start to thicken right in front of your very eyes. And as it does, when it coats the spoon, you know you have gotten yourself just about done. And at that point, it's about time to portion it into 4-ounce portions. For each package does make 4 of those portions at 4 ounces each. If you want to make more, you got to scale it up, add another package and 2 more cups of milk. Other than that, it's good to go. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.